50 freestyle men's S8. 9 swimmers here in this one and only heat. You have to lose one for the top 8 to progress to the final this evening. LINHARES goes in 0. CSURI in 1. Josef Craig in 2. Bohdan HRYNENKO in 3. Denis TARASOV in 4, the world record holder. Konstantin LISENKOV in 5. Iurii BOZHYNSKYI in 6 for Ukraine. Niels Mortensen, Denmark in 7. Joshua GROB from Switzerland in lane number 8. Denis TARASOV set a world record in the 100 freestyle last night. Can he follow that up by challenging his own world record here in the 50 freestyle? TARASOV, there he goes. Looking really good, Denis TARASOV. The world record mark is 25.81 and he has just taken his foot off the gas, but still no one coming back for the lead there. It's Denis TARASOV taking that one very, very comfortably indeed. 26.90 for TARASOV. LISENKOV in second, 27.51, and HRYNENKO in third, 27.79. But TARASOV there, well, I thought when he came to the last 10 meters, I thought he was going to have a go at that world record in the heats this morning, because he just left the rest of the field. But here he is at the end, taking his foot completely off the gas there, and still finishing in 26.90. TARASOV, big rangy strokes at the end there. Turned round, 26.90. He's going to go faster than that this evening in the final. Next to his great friend and country-mate LISENKOV. They are 1 and 2 qualifiers for this men's 50 meters freestyle S8. 2 Ukrainians next in 3 and 4. Ferenc from Hungary is ahead of Josef Craig, Niels Mortensen and Joshua GROB. Complete the list of finalists.